Bike stems are an essential component of any bicycle, connecting the handlebars to the fork steerer tube. There are many products available to choose bike stems, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bike stems from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 31.8 Stem 45mm Bike Stem. The Wake Bike Stem is a versatile and durable option for anyone looking to upgrade their bike. With a handlebar diameter of 31.8mm and tube diameter of 28.6mm, it's suitable for most road, mountain, and BMX bikes. The stem is made of high-strength CNC machined 6061T6 aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and sturdy. The 4-bolt bar clamp holds the handlebar securely in place, and installation is a breeze. Simply connect the stem to the front fork. Whether you're into downhill, climbing, or modified DIY projects, the Wake Bike Stem is a comfortable and reliable choice. Number 2. Fomter Light-Weight Bike Handlebar Stem. The Fomter 31.8 Stem 60mm 7-degree bike handlebar stem is a lightweight and durable bike stem suitable for a variety of bikes including road bikes, mountain bikes, BMX, and more. With an easy installation process, the stem is made of high-strength CNC machined 6061T6 aluminum alloy and features an angle of plus or minus 7 degrees, handlebar diameter of 31.8mm, and front fork stem diameter of 28.6mm. The 4-bolt bar clamp holds the bar securely in position. Number 3. CYSKY Bike Stem. The CYSKY Bike Stem offers adjustable minus 90 degrees to plus 90 degrees angles to raise or lower the handlebar height, allowing you to ride in a comfortable upright position. The stem is constructed with precision 3D forged aluminum alloy, making it sturdy and durable. It comes with a universal 31.8mm and 25.4mm handlebar, making it suitable for most road bikes, mountain bikes, BMX, MTB, DH, and more. It's also easy to install and comes with a stem adapter and hexagonal wrench. Number 4. CYSKY Bike Stem 31.8. The CYSKY Bike Stem is a high-quality stem designed for most road bikes, mountain bikes, BMX, and more. With a handlebar diameter of 31.8mm and a front fork stem diameter of 28.6mm, this stem is easy to install and provides a secure connection between the handlebar and the front fork. Made from high-strength 6061T6 aluminum alloy, it is durable and resistant to corrosion, rust, and oxidation. The 35-degree angle and 60mm length of the stem offer a comfortable riding position and reduce strain on the arms, shoulders, and back. Whether you are modifying, DIY-ing, or upgrading your bike, the CYSKY Bike Stem is a perfect replacement. Number 5. Fun RSX Mountain Bike Direct Mount Bike Stem. The Fun RSX Direct Mount Stem is a precision CNC manufactured bike stem designed for use with a dual crown fork. Made from 6061 aerospace grade alloy, it offers excellent support and rigidity while keeping the weight low. With its adjustable extension, you can easily customize the length and rise to suit your riding preferences. The 31.8mm bar bore ensures a proper fit for your handlebars, and the 30mm rise adds comfort and control to your off-road or downhill biking experience. Upgrade your Sur-Ron bike with the reliable and stylish Fun RSX Direct Mount Stem.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.